Let's talk about Skylar Richardson. You know, the 17-year-old who buried the corpse of her baby in her parents' backyard out in Lebanon, Ohio. Yeah, Warren County. So, as of October 4th, 2022, the judge in that court decided that Miss Richardson's record should be sealed and potentially expunged if it hasn't already taken place. For y'all that don't know, Miss Richardson was convicted of this charge back in 2019, and she never served a day in prison. She was given 3 years of community control, which is basically 3 years of probation, of which she served 2 years. Bringing in the profoundness of her privilege, power, and everything else that she inherited, apparently from her family and her parents, the judge made a call on this one to go ahead and grant the sealing of the record so the public or any future employers, no one else can ever see the fact that this took place. And the state, I can't put it on it, this time the state fought tooth and nail, but unsuccessfully. This makes you beg to differ about the way that our judicial system employs what they're calling justice. Because I know for a fact that other non-whites across the United States and impoverished whites that are, being convicted of things as lightly as underage possession of alcohol or other property offenses, they don't have their records expunged. Most of them had to serve a couple days in prison and surely had to do all of the term of their probation. So how is this able to happen? How is this able to happen? Okay. And what do you, my followers, and everybody else that you share this with, propose that we begin to do in order to avert travesties of justice? What about that baby? We still don't know how the baby passed away. And it's just okay for this young lady to bury the corpse, get 3 years of probation of which she served 2, and now have the record sealed. When's enough enough?